Hi guys, my name is Kate. Welcome to my channel. Today I received my new keyboard and mouse. I've decided to buy the cheapest mechanic keyboard with fast response. Havit KB389L keyboard kit. If you want to watch my review for Havit mouse pad, please find my previous video and watch it. And where is my mouse? Wow, but I like this mouse. Wow, look at this. This mouse is not wireless, but it's good for gaming, full-on hard work with anything you need. And here's the keyboard. Wow, it's kind of heavy. Oh no, it's not heavy. That's okay. Yeah, the keyboard is mechanic, so I hear the sound. Really, the sound is quite loud. We were using this Havit keyboard and mouse for about a month, so now I'm ready to tell you what I think about it. If you need technical information, find the link below. First of all, it's one of the best mechanical keyboards on the market. Really, it's cheaper. It's 3-5 times cheaper than competitors, but it's extremely good. If you didn't subscribe to this channel, do it now. And don't forget to hit the like button to support me. It has blue switches, so you may expect a pretty loud sound. Keystrokes quality is amazing and is quite similar to keyboards, which are 3-5 times more expensive. The overall quality is great. The keyboard has the wrist rest and it looks and feels good. The surface is ribbed and pleasant to touch, but if you don't need it, you can take it off. The lighting, oh, I love it. You have many easy-to-switch modes, from solid colors to rainbow, from one key light to running light. It's easy to customize, but there is no software for keyboard, so you adjust the lighting manually. The mouse has the software though, and you can assign a color to DPI. Each key on the keyboard has its own LED, so you have a true rainbow effect. I love the mouse too. It's pretty big and it fits my hand just perfectly. The mouse surface is matte and nice to touch. I also want to say a few words about water resistance. You will not worry about splitting coffee to your keyboard because you can simply buy another. Really, it's 3 times cheaper than Razer or Logitech or so on. And if you don't want to chase brands, but you need really good mechanical keyboard, find the link in the description. What I don't like about this keyboard is its chrome line. I have a ceiling fan behind me, so it's over here, and this line, it blinks annoyingly. If you have something or someone who is constantly moving behind you, it can be a problem. I even think to hide this chrome with something black. So my overall experience is extremely good. I love this keyboard and mouse kit, and I can recommend it for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. See you very soon.